Okay, now whoever are remaining, is there anybody?
सर जनवरी या फरवरी में भी बहुत कंफ्यूजन रहता है सबको.
Okay, I'll tell this. Okay, so this is called. So we have to just understand all of these points. Now we are moving for the next things. So we simply, it has become the session of pronunciation today, but right now we have to go for the next things. To time, we will be just telling you continuously about this. January, simply we have to pronounce like simply. January spelling तो अलग ही हो गई है, लेकिन भाई how to we pronounce it January. Jan, we generally use January. January. Okay, in the month of January.
Correct one.
Sir, February.
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 January. Okay, this is called. Very simple. March. Okay, next.
April. Not April. April.
This is called April. April, not April. This is called April. April. Okay. Not April. This is called April. Okay. So January. I'll just ask from you all. Okay, January, February, March, April. Next. May. Okay. Not May. Okay. Next, June. Next,
July.
July or July? Not July. 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 Okay.
Sir, seriously, it is July.
July.
Yes.
July.
Sir, are you serious?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, pronounce.
Sir, are you telling you?
I'm
Yes,
telling
sir,
you.
always
Listen.
serious.
Okay,
July.
listen first of all of you, how am I pronouncing the all months of this? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Sir, born in July.
Jala, you know, Jala.
Sir, is it August or August?
August.
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 Sir, born in July.
August.
Okay, many people say July. ज्यादा हम deep में नहीं जाएंगे. July नहीं बोलेंगे, July नहीं बोलेंगे, July, Jala. You know. Okay.
Sir, I can't pronounce this, sir.
Okay, you may do the practice over this. You have to do the practice. Okay. Now.
Lakshmi saying, sir. Lakshmi saying, मम्मी ने लकड़ी जलाई में जलाई.
Yeah, sure, right. Like. Good. We have to take the support of any other way of like July. Okay. Next. Here. What is this?
Wednesday.
Yeah.
Wednesday.
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 Okay. Some people are
So
using
Wednesday. So Wednesday.
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 और कोई तरीका है बोलने का इसका अलावा? कोई थर्ड तरीका, कोई तीसरा? Is there any other way? Is there any other way to pronounce this line?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Wednesday.
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 Wednesday. Okay.
Wednesday.
Yeah,
Go and day.
Nis-
Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday. Okay. You have to find the correct pronunciation. You know, you may have seen the one of movie also came with the name of same name. You know, Wednesday. Wednesday. So how to pronounce it? I'm just saying you. What is the correct actually?
Wednesday.
Vans.
Sir, I lost today's session.
Yeah, it's okay.
Sir, what you taught?
Or doesn't matter. I'll just make this video and I'll convert this video into the YouTube. Okay, that the YouTube channel will. I think you have to subscribe. The YouTube channel would be fine to go. I'll just after the making these things, so it will be going to the YouTube and you'll be seeing. Okay, you'll be watching the
Okay.
all previous.
Okay.
Okay, this is called Vans Day. Vans
Wednesday.
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 Wednesday. If
Silent.
we are using Vans, you know, Vans Day. Wednesday. Wednesday. You may pronounce like this: Wednesday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Thursday,
Friday,
Friday,
Saturday,
Saturday,
Sunday.
Sunday,
Okay, Monday,
Monday,
Tuesday,
Tuesday,
next,
Wednesday,
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Yeah.
Wednesday, Wednesday,
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
इसको ये तभी हो पाएगा जब हम
Wednesday.
बार बार, क्योंकि आपने जो सुना है इसमें this is not, it's not your fault actually, it's not your fault, it's the fault of your those previous teachers who had pronounced you these words like this, okay, Wednesday, Wednesday, but they also didn't know it was not also their fault. They may have listened the same line के by making the spellings कि हमने spellings बनाने सीख ली है, WED आ गया तो WED बोलो, NES आ गया तो NES बोलो, D आ गया तो ये तो हमारा अपनी सोच है कि हमने अपने तरीके से बना दिया इसको. If I say something like this, if I talk about this, यदि आप बात करें, the main thing, हम जो सुनते हैं वही बोलते हैं. You have to know what is this actually.
Future,
Yeah,
future,
future. यदि हम स्पेलिंग्स के बेस पर बोलेंगे तो उसकी स्पेलिंग्स इसका प्रोनाउंस कैसा होगा? यदि हम स्पेलिंग्स के बेस पर बोलेंगे तो
Fature.
फाटूरे. ओके, वेरी सिंपल है.
Fature. हाँ.
फाटूरे. तो जिन्होंने अधिकतर ये डेवलपमेंट जो बोलते हैं या उसके ये जो सुनते हैं एक्चुअली ना, हम वही बोलने लगते हैं. दैट्स थिंग्स. तो हमने इसको फ्यूचर सुनाया है जब भी कि प्रेजेंट पास्ट फ्यूचर, प्रेजेंट पास्ट फ्यूचर. देन तो दैट इज व्हाई वी स्टार्टेड यूजिंग द फ्यूचर. इवन वी नो वेरी वेल कि जो हमें टी आ रहा है, यू आ रहा है, ये आ रहा है, उसमें चा की सी की आवाज नहीं आ रही है, सी नहीं आ रहा है, चा या कुछ और नहीं है. तो इट मींस वी हैव टू लिसन correctly and we have to speak also correctly. So that's the thing. We have to okay. So there are so many of the words which there are so many confusions to pronounce correctly, but we have to know, we have to do the practice over this. So these are very common problems to pronounce wrong here. So and you may do the practice over this all. Okay, we'll give you so many of other type of pronunciation words in which you will do the practice. हम एक दिन दो दिन हम इसमें हम सेपरेटली लगाएंगे इस pronunciation पर, but इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि जैसे हम flower बोलते हैं, हम एक common words ले लेते हैं, you know, कि एक simple है. This is called
sir,
okay, but यदि आप ऐसा बोलेंगे तो ज्यादा अच्छा रहेगा. Yeah.
we can't see.
Yeah.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir.
Sir. Sa नहीं बोलना है, ये नहीं बोलना है.
So,
This is not way.
means
but I'm
sir.
saying sir,
Oh, yeah.
sir.
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 Okay,
Sir.
sir. Okay, next.
Sir.
Yeah. How to pronounce?
Brother. Brother.
Sir, brother.
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 Okay. If I say brother, brother,
Brother.
Brother.
brother,
Yes, brother.
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 Okay. So that's thing. यदि आप जितना प्रोनाउंसिएशन आपका अच्छा होगा उतना ही आप इंग्लिश का स्टैंडर्ड अच्छा होगा. बहुत से लोग क्या करते हैं कि दे स्पीक अ लॉट बट having wrong pronunciation and makes a wrong impression. Are you getting? And many of the people, they speak very less. They speak very less, but with the correct pronunciation makes a very nice impression. So that is why you must learn to pronounce correctly when you speak it.
The father should be pronounced father or father?
Father. Simple.
Father.
Father. F-A-T-H. Father. Okay. Father.
Father.
Father. Can say father. All right. Father. Brother. Sister.
Sir,
Sister.
but then father and feather, the pankola feather will sound same.
Yeah. Many people say father, but we have to say father. 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 He's my father. Okay.
And sir, uncle?
Uncle is
Uncle or
uncle. Uncle is okay. Uncle is okay. It's okay. No issue. Uncle is okay. Uncle. Okay. Sister. Mother. 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 Okay. Mother. Okay. Mother.
Mother.
Yeah. Mother. Okay. Brother, sister, father, brother, sir. Okay.
Sir, is Singapore or Singapore?
Singapore. Yeah. Singapore.
Sir, it
Sir,
is
it's
not
Singapore.
Singapore. Yeah. P-O-O-R-E. P-O.
It's a
Singapore. Yeah.
P-U-R-E. It's a P-U-R-E, but
Yeah.
I think we call it Singapore.
Singapore. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. P-O-O-R-E. Okay. Okay, now move to the practice with me here now. So how long have you been learning English? I have been learning English for more than 1 month.
I have been learning English for one month, sir. I
But
have been learning English more than 15 days.
okay, but still I find it many difficulties to speak correctly.
But still I feel
Sir,
difficulties.
please, someone voice is coming, so we can't hear you.
Okay. But sometimes I find it difficulties. But sometimes,
it will
yeah,
be, sometimes I will find difficult or difficulties.
yeah. Depends on कि यदि difficulties, एक difficulty कई सारी दिक्कतें आती हैं उसके बावजूद भी, तो बहुत सारी दिक्कतें, but still I find it difficulties to speak English. But I find it difficulty to speak English. मतलब दिक्कत आती है, तो दिक्कत आती है, it's okay. दिक्कतें, I mean problems आती हैं, दिक्कतें आती हैं, difficulties होती हैं, तो I find it difficulties. Depends on कि आप एक difficulty बताना चाहते हैं, ये कई सारी difficulties, मतलब दिक्कतें आ रही हैं. I find it difficulties. मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं होती है. I don't find it any difficulty. मुझे पहले बहुत दिक्कत होती थी. Earlier I used to find it many difficulties to speak in English, Earlier, I used to find it many difficulties to speak in English, but no longer now. Do you ever try to speak English at your home? Sometimes I try. Whenever I try to speak English, I get stuck. I get stuck. I get stuck. I get stuck. मैं अटक जाता हूं. I get stuck. मैं अटक जाती हूं बोलने में इंग्लिश. I get stuck in English. हम कई बार कई जगह पर अटक जाते हैं. We get stuck manywhere, many times. Like जैसे मैं जाम में अटक गया, तो I got stuck in the jam, traffic jam. तो जाम बोलेंगे जैम, तो I got stuck in that traffic jam, jam. So I got stuck in the traffic jam. क्या तुम हमेशा ट्रैफिक जैम में अटक जाते हो? Do you always get stuck in the traffic jam? अरे हाईवे पर बहुत जबरदस्त जाम था. There was a lot of jam. There was a big jam in the highway. There were a lot of jam in the highway. There were a lot of jams on the highway.
So we can't use word here or not.
Yeah.
We can use fuse word here or not.
Fuse word.
Yes.
Which
Means,
word?
there were a huge traffic jam on the highway.
Yeah, there was a huge traffic jam. Yeah. There was a huge traffic jam. There was a big traffic jam. There was a lot of traffic jam. There was a huge traffic jam. Yeah. Okay. That's why I got stuck in the jam. Okay. I get stuck in the English. I get stuck in the maths. मैं maths में अटक जाता हूँ. I get stuck in the maths. अटक जाना ये word कहाँ से आया? How did you get this word from? Where did you get this word from? You know, stuck is the third form of stick. Stuck is the third form of stick. और get के साथ हमेशा verb की third form आती है. Stick means चिपकाना होता है. Stick चिपकाना, और चिपकाने वाला स्टिकर. स्टिकर जैसे टीच मींस पढ़ाना, और
सर वो जो डंडी होती है मारने वाली, उसकी स्पेलिंग क्या होती है?
स्टिक, STIC, स्टिक. Okay.
It's the same.
Yeah. Okay. So we have to say कि stick. So stick means चिपकाना. Stick की थर्ड फॉर्म हो जाती है stuck. चिपकाना बोलते हैं इसको हम. Stick means चिपकाना. चिपकाना जैसे हमने बताया था आपको कि you know annoy means गुस्सा दिलाना. Get annoyed, गुस्सा आना. Confuse करना. Get confused, confuse होना. The same. Stick means चिपकाना और get stuck means चिपक जाना. So we can say like this, चिपक जाना. It means यदि हम किसी कोई भी पेंटिंग, हम कोई भी कागज हम चिपकाते हैं कहीं पर बोर्ड पर, वॉल पर, तो we have to say कि मैंने चिपका दिया, मैं चिपकाता हूँ. I stick the papers on the wall. मैंने चिपका दिया है. I have stuck the paper on the wall. और पेपर चिपक गया. The paper got stuck in the wall. पेपर चिपक गया. Paper got stuck on the wall. Paper got stuck. Yeah.
You said I got stuck in the I got stuck in the highway.
I got stuck in the highway. Yeah.
So sir, it will be on the highway, no? How in the highway?
On the highway.
Yes, you said
Okay.
in the highway. That's why.
Yeah. No. Yeah. On the
That
highway.
is, I got stuck or I get stuck.
Depend on the situation. If you're talking in the present, then you have to say get stuck. If you're talking in
But
the
sir,
past,
stuck is also second form, na?
no matter. But get is showing the primary, action, and we have to. I mean, action verb, which works as a helping verbs. It all depends. कि जैसे हमने बताया, do you have, I don't have. Did you have? I had. I didn't have. You know, we have to say like this. So I got stuck. If you're talking in the past, यहाँ ये decide करेगा कि बात present की कर रहे हैं या future की कर रहे हैं या you know past की कर रहे हैं. तो it means get will decide. या stuck इसलिए आया क्योंकि get आया यहाँ पे. Get आया, got आया. It means get की वजह से आया ये stuck. Okay, तो I got stuck. I get stuck. तुम उस रास्ते से जाओगे तो तुम अटक जाओगे. You will get stuck on this way. Okay. So like this, you'll
Stuck is the
use it.
same get or get.
Okay. So I got stuck. Do you get stuck? Why did you get stuck? I got stuck on the jam, in the jam. So in the jam on the highway. So I got stuck in the jam on the highway. So why did you get stuck? Because there was a traffic jam on the highway. So you know, so I do not. I'm not in the habit of. I'm not in the habit of going to the market in the jam. So like this, whatever you will be speaking, you have to speak more and more time. Okay. Next. Okay. Now, I used to do the shopping once in a week. Do you used to do the shopping once in a week? Yes, I used to do the shopping once in a week. Do you want to do the shopping? Yes, I want to do the shopping. He used to do the bargaining at the shop.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, can I exit the class because I have to go for some work?
Okay, okay. I'm just making the free to everyone in the 5 minutes only. So would be fine. So now I think it is enough, but we all will try to speak continuously. One time you all will try to follow me up. I was telling you to all to make the videos of all the practice of you, what all you can speak. I'm saying that कि आप मेरे को सुन रहे हैं अभी आप और feel कर रहे हैं कि what actually I'm saying. You will not speak, actually you will only listen me because I've been speaking continuously and very fastly. So I mean fastly means you must be able to listen fast. If someone has been speaking to you in front of you, you have to know, because I have been I would speak those only type of sentences what you have already done with me. That is why.
Sir,
Yeah.
can we do one thing, means for doing practice, means you make a pair, two people pair, and give one topic for means advantage or disadvantage, means with both they will discuss only 5 minutes.
Of course, we will give it. We will give this kind of chance. I mean, I have already given you the topic. You know, remember, I had given the topic about the offline studies and online studies to discuss upon this topic. And on this day, we will also give the chance to talk to the two candidates to talk to each other about that. And the chance will be given to everyone, one by one. All right. So this is the thing. So make yourself ready for that. I mean that's
Excuse me, sir.
yeah.
Sir, yesterday session was very tough. Yesterday class very tough. So I think, sir, I have to do more practice. And
For what? For yesterday?
yesterday topic, sir.
Okay, for topic you need the
Yeah, sir. Yesterday topic. Yesterday session. Yesterday session was very tough.
very tough
Like
test.
yeah.
Okay.
So, sir, I have to more practice, and so you have to do us some this practice, sir. Sir, आपको करवानी पड़ेगी ना?
Okay. I will make you the practice, but before this would be fine कि यदि आप थोड़ा सा शुरुआत आप करेंगे अपने अपने एक दो लाइन चार लाइनों से would be fine to talk about any topic, very simple topic. Suppose you are talking about the offline study and online study. So as far as I concern about online study, you know, तो two parties होंगी और एक online study के favor में होगी. Mentally आपको prepare करना है अपने आप को कि online study is better than offline study. एक दूसरा prepare करेगा अपने mind को mentally prepare करेगा कि मुझे बोलना है offline study पर कि offline study is more powerful and useful and effective way to learn offline study, because if you are just going physically in the school, in the tuition, in the colleges, that would be very much visible and easy. We may easily raise the question from anyone of our teachers, and the teacher also can easily communicate. But second party will say कि online study has in the present scenario, the online study has become the present scenario has become more in the present scenario, online study has become more powerful and more popular, because it is the source of saving the time also. So you may save your time. You do not have to go to go by vehicles, and you save your time in in going from one place to the another place. First of the things. Second is it becomes economical नहीं बोलेंगे, economical, so economic, so it becomes economic for the students and teachers also to just learn by taking the online studies as compared to the offline study, because first of all time saving, second is money saving also, because you have to travel, you have to spend the money in the petrol also, but in other sense you get a chance to ask the question also face to face as you talk in all offline studies. So like this you all will be trying to speak about, and you have to put simply your views. अब ज्यादा क्या होगा, आप अटक के बोलेंगे, इससे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं होगा. ओके, तो आपने करना क्या है, आप जितना ज्यादा अपने आप को क्या करेंगे, घसीटेंगे कन्वर्सेशन में, डिस्कशन में, बोलने में लाने की कोशिश करेंगे, बिना परवाह किए कुछ भी अपने आप को बात रखेंगे, तो इट मींस अभी हम इसको पूरे उस लेवल पे नहीं पहुंचाएंगे कि हाँ एकदम से आप उस लेवल पे पहुंच जाएंगे. आप अपनी तरफ से पूरा एफर्ट्स करना शुरू करेंगे. देखिए एफर्ट्स करना बहुत जरूरी है. ओके, सो जब हम थोड़ा सा एफर्ट्स करेंगे तो आगे वो एफर्ट्स आपको और आगे ले जाता है वहां पर. सो थोड़ा सा इस टॉपिक पर हम हल्का सा ये कहेंगे कि जैसे मैंने ऑलरेडी टॉपिक दिया था, तो अभी आपको मुझे मालूम है थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम होगी. दैट वुड बी द प्रॉब्लम टू जस्ट इनिशिएट द ग्रुप डिस्कशन डिबेट्स, बट वुड बी फाइन व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड. तो अभी हम बहुत ज्यादा टेंस नहीं होना इस चीज को लेकर के कि यस वी हैव टू थिंक, वी हैव टू स्पीक मोर एंड मोर रिलेटेड विद दिस, बट यू ऑल विल ट्राई टू स्पीक as much as you can speak related with the topics. So different topics can be just taken, but right now it is a very popular topic. We say कि हम जानते हैं सब इस स्थिति से गुजर रहे हैं कि during the lockdown has taught us that how to take the online classes that we come. तो डिपेंड करता है कि आप अपने व्यूज पुट करेंगे, कुछ भी बोलेंगे, जो भी मन करे वो बोलेंगे, गलतियां करेंगे. आप यकीन नहीं मानोगे, मेरी बात पर हंसोगे कि जब मैं किसी से बहस करता था कभी इंग्लिश में, मुझे लगता था तो मैं बहुत उल्टा सीधा बोलता था और सामने वाले को बस ये था कि इसे इम्प्रेस करना है, मतलब उसे मेरी आवाज मैं उल्टा सीधा बोल देता था ताकि उसको समझ में ना आए मेरी लैंग्वेज और समझे मेरे को हाई फाई. ओके, सो मीन्स कि यदि आप फ्लो में बोल रहे हैं और गलतियां कर रहे हैं, मिस्टेक कर रहे हैं, कोई बात नहीं. इफ यू आर मेकिंग मिस्टेक्स, no matter if your matter is going wrong, no matter if you are making many mistakes in the grammar, it's okay. That time you are trying to make a up hand on that person कि आप उस पर हावी होने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं लगातार बोल करके, तो that would become very much effective that time for the person, because they will see your confidence level. Right, so उस कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल को बना के चलना है. वी फील समटाइम्स लाइक कि सामने वाला इतनी तेजी से लगातार क्यों बोल दे रहा है, बिकॉज ऑफ not only that he is good at grammar, not only is good at grammar, but also he is not caring you, he is not caring that opponents. वो इसलिए लगातार कंटिन्यू बोलता है क्योंकि वो सामने वाले की परवाह नहीं करता है. ओके, वो बिना परवाह किए अपनी तरफ से कुछ भी बोले जा रहे हैं. The thing is this, you have to understand this points actually. The thing, जिस दिन ये पॉइंट्स आप समझने लग जाओगे तो उस दिन आप अपने तरीके से कुछ भी बोलने लग जाओगे. सो मेन चीज यही है कि टॉपिक्स है, बहुत छोटा सा टॉपिक है, इस पर हल्का सा अपने थोड़ा सा व्यूज को पुट करना है और कोशिश करेंगे. यू विल ट्राई नो मैटर.
Sir, we will take this topic tomorrow.
On Monday or Tuesday.
On Monday, okay, sir. So you have to choose 2 candidates, na?
Yeah, we have to choose 2 candidates and they will discuss to each other. Okay, so 2 to 5 minutes will be given to each candidates, both candidates, I mean.
All right, sir.
Okay, 5 minutes will be given only. In 5 minutes के अंदर ही आपको अपने अपने पॉइंट्स रखने हैं. और अभी इसको हम you can say कि arguments का सेशन नहीं बनाएंगे उसको हम, we will only find and get the solution of this, कि आपके नजर में क्या सॉल्यूशन, क्या कौन सा बेटर है, वो अपने एस्पेक्ट्स गिनाएगा उस ऑनलाइन स्टडीज के, कि क्या व्हाट ऑल द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ टेकिंग द ऑनलाइन स्टडीज एंड व्हाट ऑल आर द नॉट द बेनिफिट्स ओवर दिस। तो एक कोशिश करेगा कि एक ऑनलाइन स्टडीज को ज्यादा प्रेफरेंस देगा बोलने में, और एक ऑफलाइन स्टडीज को ज्यादा प्रेफरेंस देगा अपने अपने वर्ड्स से। या
सर क्या हमें तो अभी हमें क्या दोनों चीजों की प्रैक्टिस करनी है, ऑफलाइन और ऑनलाइन स्टडीज के बारे में, दोनों के बारे में?
अभी आप दोनों के बारे में स्टडी करिए।
सर I will do offline.
ओके ओके ओके,
Lakshmi beta, speak English only.
okay, it's okay. So
Sir, so sir, what do you think we all are in this level to argue with each other?
don't care about this. कभी कभी तो हमें अपने लेवल पे लाना पड़ेगा ना, अपने आप को जबरदस्ती खींच खींच के लाना पड़ेगा, घसीट घसीट के लाना पड़ेगा। ओके, गलतियों की परवाह करनी नहीं है अपने आप को बिल्कुल भी। मैंने बताया ना कि यू नो बिल्कुल हमें क्या करना है, अपने आप को बिल्कुल बेशर्म बनना है, बिल्कुल बोलने की कोशिश करनी है। देखो बोलने में कई बार बहुत मिस्टेक्स होती है, मुझसे भी बहुत मिस्टेक्स होती होंगी, क्योंकि हम सामने वाले को आइडियल समझ लेते हैं कभी कभी, और हम उस पर बिल्कुल विश्वास करते हुए, मीन्स जैसे नीरा है, नीरा भी बहुत मिस्टेक्स करती है बोलते हुए, लेकिन बोल देती है। और बच्चे भी बोलते हैं, मिस्टेक्स होती है बच्चों से। आई बीन जस्ट टेलिंग यू कि अभी मैंने दिखाया आपको कि वेजिटेबल बोल रहे हैं या वेजिटेबल बोलते हैं, या डेवलपमेंट बोलते हैं या डेवलपमेंट बोलते हैं। सो मेनी ऑफ द टाइम इट मेक्स द डिफरेंस कि आप जो है प्रोनाउंसिएशन में मिस्टेक कर जा रहे होते हैं, या ग्रामेटिकल एरर्स में मिस्टेक कर जा रहे होते हैं। बस अपनी बात को कहना है, अभी इस पर फोकस करना है। धीरे धीरे हम ये चीजें लैंग्वेज सिखाई रहे हैं आपको, और लैंग्वेज में इसलिए बोलता हूँ कि
we are just so us high five in the on the other person, na, in the front of other person. We are just so high five in front of other person.
Yeah, sure. High five. So of course we are supposed to high five for this. All right, okay. So I think the time has been over, and to end, 3 candidates I think they have just quit from the class today's session. So would be fine to talk to you later, I mean tomorrow, with something new things, and would be fine कि daily कुछ ना कुछ जो सीख रहे हैं उसको use में लाइए. I feel very much good to talk with you always, and feel enjoy teaching to you. And I hope you will also do the practice, and you will be having enjoy with me by learning English speaking, as well as I always suggest you कि थोड़ी videos बनाना शुरू कर दीजिए। और मैं कहता हूँ कि अपना जो आपका जो बॉडी लैंग्वेज को परफेक्टली लाने की कोशिश कीजिए। जब हम बोलते हैं तो आपका जो बॉडी लैंग्वेज है बड़ा इफेक्टिव वे में लाने की कोशिश करनी है, और शब्दों का चुनाव भी हमें सीखना होता है। तो अभी आपको क्या करना है, प्रैक्टिस तो कर ही रहे हैं, और जो टॉपिक्स हैं उस टॉपिक्स पर भी हम डिस्कशन करेंगे। क्योंकि जनरली क्या होगा कि यदि मैं आपको वीडियो पर बोलने के लिए दे दूं कि इस टॉपिक पर वीडियो पर क्या करेंगे आप, इस टॉपिक पर, कि ठीक है ऑफलाइन ऑनलाइन स्टडी पे बोलिए, तो आप क्या करेंगे जनरली कि इस पे अभी आप जनरली आप नेट से अपना कोई कंटेंट्स निकालेंगे, उसको याद करेंगे, लर्न करेंगे, उसका रट्टा मारेंगे, उसके बाद आप वीडियो सामने रखेंगे, उसके बाद सीधे सीधे उसके ऊपर उड़ेल देंगे। राइट, सो वो ज्यादा इफेक्टिव, आई मीन उस समय के लिए तो लगेगा अच्छा, क्योंकि आपने रटा रटाया बोल दिया वहां पर। लेकिन जब हम रियल लाइफ में डिस्कशन और कन्वर्सेशन करते हैं, तो वहां पर हमें अपने आप को क्रिएटिव बनाना पड़ता है, तब हमें अपने आप को एक्टिव बनाना पड़ता है कि जस्ट व्हाट समबडी इज स्पीकिंग, वी हैव टू रिप्लाई इफेक्टिवली एंड विदाउट एनी केयर। ओके, तो एक चीज और होती है कि जनरली क्या होता है कि जब हम कोई एक जानवर होता है, एक इंसान होता है, जो जानवर इंसान या कोई भी दो कंट्रीज होती हैं, एक कंट्री दूसरी कंट्री को ताकतवर यदि समझ लेगी, तो क्या होता है कि वो जो कमजोर पड़ जाती है वो उस पर हावी हो जाती है। So I mean to say you all will try to enjoy the classes, and you have to speak openly. Means डरने की जरूरत नहीं होती है, ना ही घबराने की सामने वाला क्या सोचेगा क्या बोलेगा। You will be speaking openly and frankly. I think it is enough to all of you. So nice to meet you all.
Nice to meet you too, sir.
Good evening, sir.
See you.
Nice to meet
Good night, sir.
See you. Good night. Bye.